Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. I love talking with everyone in the comments and the community tab. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this insane journey. It's been incredible so far. Guys, also, if you could like the video, give it a good old thumbs up, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people. I would appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. So please jump on all the websites I've recommended in all my videos. That will give you a lot of confidence before jumping into these kind of investments, especially with cryptos. Me, my personal golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you have to set a limit because you can lose money like that in cryptos, all right? So please be careful. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right, guys, let's get straight into a community tab. Obviously, my post from yesterday is still going crazy, 1,700 votes. And obviously, we've still got XYO at 17%, DAG, Constellation, 11%, Sand, 20%, Mana, Decentraland, still at 30%, which is awesome. I've had a lot more comments in here, guys. I'm just going to quickly scroll through them because I love talking with everyone in here. You've got Doge on Mars, XRP, VeChain. I'm going to talk about my two favorite altcoins at the moment, which are going crazy, and I love them. So obviously VeChain's one of them, and XYO. So I'm going to get into some updates about that. Obviously we've got here Theta, AMP, Shiba, Saitama. I haven't got into that one, by the way. VET, EGC, Sand, XEC, XDC, HBAR. So obviously Hedera is one of my favorites as well. But let's get into CoinSpot today. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, guys. Please feel free to use the referral link below. If you do, you can get $10 in Bitcoin. Who doesn't want Bitcoin? It's only going to go to the moon very soon. All right, so Bitcoin is at 83,000 Australian dollars, and I do have this set to US dollars in my CoinMarketCap app, so my entire portfolio. So 83,000. Ethereum 6,200, guys. 775 for BNB. Solana's $345. Cardano $2.75. A lot of people are spreading FUD out there saying it's dead, the project, but guys, we are so early in this. It's a great buying opportunity. XRP is still sitting at $1.65. It's amazing. You know, this is like a stable coin at the moment because of this case that's going on with the SEC. And I did put a video up from Valhill Capital, obviously showing that, you know, potentially it could hit in years to come after global adoption, and if all the banks start to use XRP as the bridge currency of the world, replacing SWIFT. You know, who knows where this will go. You know, easily $10 to $15 if this case settles next year, which I'm sure it will. And if global adoption takes place, replaces SWIFT, there are trillions of dollars that moves through SWIFT every single year. So who knows, 10 to 30K? Could happen. Never say never in cryptos. Anyway, keep scrolling. Dogecoin at 36 cents. Shiba Inu's down 9%. I'm still holding my bag. And yes, the Ethereum wallet, you know, Etherscan has showed that there is a substantial whale that's moving Shiba Inu off to different wallets as well. So who knows what's going to happen there, but I'm still holding, guys, remaining very positive. Obviously, we've got Matic as well. That's one that I'm interested in adding to my portfolio, $2.67. VeChain is pumping today up to 9.16% today, guys, to 20 cents AUD. This is awesome. Stellar XLM 51 cents. Theta $10.69. Crypto.com Crow is up 10% today, guys, to 39 cents, and that's because of some news I'll get into in a second. And we've got Hedera, which I love. It's at 54 cents AUD. Mana, Decentraland, sorry, it's $3.46. What else have we got here? Neo's down slightly, $63. Quant, $370. That's a great project, by the way. It's quite expensive, but you know, I think we're still early in that. Eng, I'm definitely going to consider adding to my portfolio because of the metaverse stuff. That's at $4. Sandbox, I've got that in my portfolio. That's incredible, $3.79. Let's keep scrolling down into my other favorites here, guys. XDC is at 12 cents. That is a great buying opportunity because, again, it is a banking coin going after global trade, and it is compliant with ISO 222, so that's mega. All right, let's get straight into some updates. Now, XYO has been pumping, guys. I don't know if you've seen the charts, but it's been ridiculous, and I've been pushing this project for a long time because I think it's very, very early stages. It's got a lot going for it, the utility, you know, the adoption using geospatial technology, and it could potentially be used in the metaverse, which would be huge. But again, so I've got some price predictions here, so check this out. XYO crypto price predictions. How high can the red hot XYO go? So just to give you an update, obviously, you know, there's many price predictions in here, but if you go to this article, so you've got Wallet Investor predicts XYO could hit 7 cents in 1 year. Well, we're almost there with that one, so that's incredible. That's a 7 cents AUD, by the way, and 21 cents in 5 years. Digital coin price suggests 2021, 2023, and 2025 price targets 7 cents, 10 cents, and 15 cents respectively. Price prediction puts forward maximum targets of 5 cents, 13 cents, and 27 cents, which is insane for the same time frames. Finally, Cryptopolitan, whatever you call it, I can't even pronounce it, highlights the market consensus around 52 cents as where XYO could be headed in November, guys. That is ridiculous. If that hits 52 cents, that's going to be a very nice payday. I'll definitely take some profits off the table and still hold my bag there, but definitely going to be taking profits on that one. But that's incredible. And I'm going to show you coin market cap as well with XYO because it's incredible. And the other one I'm going to mention today is VeChain. These are the two projects that I love as well. VeChain is announcing a DEX to launch in the governance token and yield farming program. The VeChain ecosystem is expanding at a fast pace. The first decentralized exchange DEX and automated market maker AMM called VEX will launch on the governance token with the same ticker next week, November 9th. So what are we today? The 5th. So gosh, this year's flying. In addition to the team behind the DEX announced that they will roll out a yield farming program to be deployed at the same time as governance token and yield farming program with VEX and VeChain pair could offer users a new opportunity to maximize rewards. That's awesome news. Another one with VeChain I love, and I've been dollar cost averaging into that, and I've got a decent bag because again, it is an incredible project with using trade, global trade, and it's just an incredible utility project that allows people to track items from going one location to the other. And obviously it's already partnered with some of the biggest brands in the world. You've got Louis Vuitton brands, you've got all the luxury brands like Balenciaga, I believe Tag Heuer, it's BMW, Renault, it's even partnered with Amazon or something like that, I believe. I have to check that. And just huge partnerships, so it's already being used, and also the stuff that's going in everyone's arms at the moment, so it's being tracked for that as well. So guys, incredible project VeChain, very early. Again, with all cryptos we're all early. I just love the project anyway. So in relation to that, let's go into some updates in the news on Decrypt. So Crypto.com, this is probably the reason why Crow is pumping at the moment. Crypto.com hits all-time high after listing from rival Coinbase. So Crow peaked at just below 30 cents USD one day after trading began on Coinbase. So that's awesome. Publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is aggressively listing crypto assets, but that has extended beyond a little noticed coins and tokens such as Jasmy Coin and APRA, if you want to say that, chain to more surprising Crypto.com Crow. So they've listed that, guys. So Coinbase announced yesterday that the trading of Ethereum-based Crow would begin immediately. The listing has been a boon for Crow, which reached an all-time high today of 29 cents USD, which is awesome. It has risen 13% in the last 24 hours, with over 20% of trading volume during the span of coming from Coinbase. So it's amazing when coins get listed on Coinbase, things just go absolutely parabolic. So imagine if that happened with Shiba Inu getting listed on Robinhood, what would that do to Shiba Inu? So we'll see what happens there, guys. That's incredible. So Decrypt is a great place to check up on news updates. Let's go to Twitter. Then we'll get into my obviously my apps. I'm going to go here. Alright, so I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. If you feel like following me on Twitter, guys, obviously you've got Ripple providing updates. What does it take to achieve full potential of digital payments? It starts with a collaboration with ICYMI. We joined the Digital Pound Foundation to work on development of CBDCs in the UK. Head to our blog for further details. So this is incredible as well. Ripple's unstoppable, man, around the world. It's only being stopped in the US at the moment, which is really annoying. And again, another tweet here, we're focused on building sustainable fintech future that benefits everyone. Our first step, the pledge to be carbon neutral by 2030. It keeps coming up, man, with 2030. I keep saying that this is the year that everything's going to change, and they're literally going to flick the switch to digital assets and cryptos. So 2030 is the whole world, new world that's coming. Be prepared for it, guys. So last year we shared what else we're doing to lead the sustainability charge. Find out here. So 2030, guys. And obviously this is another one as well about VeChain. So check this out, guys. With the national adoption of our green tech underway, VET is proud to be delivering the UN SDGs to take our efforts to the next level. Deloitte Global Blockchain CTO has joined VeChain as head of technology. So this gentleman right here. So VeChain appoints Deloitte Global Blockchain CTO Antonio Torre as head of technology for UN Sustainable Development Goals. So guys, this is incredible. Deloitte's a huge company, so Deloitte is massive, so it's incredible they're appointing these people in this firm because it's awesome. You've got some updates here in relation to Bank of America as well in relation to Bitcoin. So check this out. The race to borrow fiat against your Bitcoin is now underway. Major players entering the game. This is why I say that, you know, this bull run that we're currently in at the moment could potentially go well into 2022 because there's so much adoption happening with crypto. It's just incredible. And I believe it's got a lot to do with social media and the crypto community in general, who are awesome. I think that obviously now that with the use of technology, you know, cell phones and stuff like that and social media, and it's got a lot more push out there, whereas back in the last bull run, I don't think it was getting, you know, much notice out there. But, you know, with technology, iPhones, you know, Androids, you know, the internet in general and social media platforms, you know, it's getting a lot more recognition, which is a good thing, which could help more adoption out there as well. So you've got here, just in, Bank of America COO says that offering loans against crypto assets could be a possibility in the future. So this is what I'm saying. So this is why all these banks, even in Australia, I told you the other day that CBA is now, you know, launching their crypto exchange, which is ridiculous. Another one here, you've got the incoming New York Mayor Eric Adams vows to take 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. You've got, you know, politicians in the United States accepting Bitcoin. I wonder what would happen in Australia. Would they accept Bitcoin as a form of payment? Who knows? That's incredible as well. And obviously you've got another one in relation to XYO. XYO is listed on Crypto.com now, which is awesome. Buy XYO, the true cost of USD, Euro, Great British Pound, and 20 other fiat currencies. Download the app. So this is probably one of the reasons why it's pumping as well, which is incredible. I love XYO. So we're going ahead with the XYO Army as a community name. You sure? There are so many possibilities. You could go with XYO Oracles, or you could be XYO Astronauts. Was there a vote when we weren't looking? Is there anybody on board? It's your community, it's your choice, we're just saying. So that's awesome as well. What else we got here? One day ago, Connecticut a jury has found that digital assets linked to cryptocurrencies are not securities. XRP is not a security. I believe that. You don't have the voting rights to the company. You can't get the annual general meeting. You can't do anything. It's just a crypto. It's a currency. It's crypto. So check this out. Insecurities in what a defense lawyer called the world's first verdict, guys. So that's incredible as well. Anyway, let's get into CoinMarketCap to see what my portfolio is doing. Then we're going to get into 3Commas because I love this bot. It's doing very amazing things at the moment. So market cap sitting at 2.7 trillion, so it hasn't dropped much below that, which is awesome. BTC is still dominant at 42%, guys. Hopefully in the future something gets flipped here with BTC, but we never know. It's 13,600, so it's gone up another 100 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours, which is insane. 24 hours in the red, 7 days we're still in the green. And what have we got here? Top gainers and lunars. Let's have a look here for a moment. You've got Skylight here up 1,000%, Ethereum, Meta, Green Moonzilla, Squid Game. Stay away from that one, guys, for sure. Coin of Nature, Megacoin, Instinct. They're pretty much the top gainers. Let's get in my portfolio to show you exactly what I'm holding. So my portfolio consists of Bitcoin. Again, it is sitting at 61,000 US dollars, which is incredible. Hasn't dropped below that, which is nice. A USD Cardano, $1.98, great buying opportunity, which is awesome. USD. XRP, $1.19. This is another great buying opportunity. We will be looking back at these prices and thinking, what just happened there? Dogecoin, 26 cents USD. Shiba Inu, well, there's the price. So many zeros there. It's down 5% in the last hour. Still down in the last 24 hours, but still 7 days, guys, 25%. So still holding my bag there. But this is what I want to talk about is VeChain. In the last 24 hours, is up 8%, guys, to 14 cents USD. We're not going to see these prices for very long. This is very early, and this is going to easily go to well and truly into the dollars for sure. Stellar XLM, Theta is up 4%, guys. Tron, Hedera, Decentraland, Mana, Neo, AMP, obviously BTT, Holochain, Sand, Theta Fuel, Telcoin, XDC, ANKR, SC, so Sia Coin, Digibyte, XYO. This is my favorite project as well. I've got a decent bag of this, up 6% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, just wait for it to load, it is up 60%. So it was consolidating for so long, guys, and I've been holding and holding and holding, up 60% to 4 cents USD. This is an incredible project, man, honestly, and I'm so happy that I got in very early with this. And this is the thing with cryptos, if you're in early, you'll make a decent dollar for yourself. So this is the trick. You've got to get in very early with this stuff. Win, I'm holding that. Reef, I'm dollar cost averaging into this to it's $3 or 3 cents USD. Very good buying opportunity. Again, I've seen price predictions into the $10 to $15 range. It's the same as XRP. So long-term hold. VThor is up 14% as well because of the announcement today with VeChain. So that is at 1 cent It is up 25% in the last 7 days. Constellation DAG, I'm still holding my bag of that. Ecomi's up as well. Electronium, still holding that because the Digital Pound Foundation. Acropolis and Ubix Network is up today, which is good. It's up 5%. Again, this is very early stage Ethereum. I got in under this, under this what it is priced now, which is 0.001, under a cent. So that's awesome. Ubix Network is definitely one to hold because, as I keep saying, it's very early stages Ethereum. Incredible team, utility behind it, and it's based in Russia. So consider Ubix if you're looking for a hidden gem. That's pretty much in terms of my portfolio today. Let's get into 3Commas because that is flying at the moment, guys. Let's just wait for it to refresh. So $1,807 USD, up 5.7% today on the day, which is awesome. 6.6% in Bitcoin value. It's made me $7.62 in profits today. And total profit $275 USD, which is insane. And if I go to XE Exchange, I've done it before, so it's made me $371.54. If that hits $400 by the end of this week, by Sunday, that'll be very nice. Because it's obviously well and truly over $100 a week, which is incredible, and I might consider putting more into it. One thing I like about this app, obviously, you just set and forget it. You set your parameters. As I've mentioned, I've put a video up about dollar cost averaging bot. I've got 21 deals going at 1% taking profits. I'm trading a minimum trading volume of 60 Bitcoin, so less volatile obviously than if you're putting zero. And guys, it's pretty much straightforward. There's a referral link below. Check it out. It's a great app. I've been using this now for nearly 3 weeks, which is awesome. Here are my deals at the moment, and the longest deal I've still got now is Cardano, which is entered in on the 21st of October, 6.92% profit, and seller is down 17%. I'm taking 5 safety orders. I may increase that to around 10 safety orders. So if the price moves, you'll make more profit because it's buying the dip, and it's incredible. So let's have a look here. OMG, Digibyte, DOT, Ethereum, which is insane. Still trading Bitcoin now. XRP, look at that, it's trading XRP. I'm down 0.74%. Ocean, YFII, Zen, STMX as well. So that's awesome. So check out the link and the website, guys, if you're interested in trading. I like this because I was looking for something that could generate passive income kind of thing. So one thing about the app though that I'm going to mention to their development team, I'll send them an email or a message on something like that on Twitter, is that I'd like to see the profits, so that you can see here the $275 in profits. I'd like to see that on the outside, so essentially it would trade your USD Tether, but it would put your profits in another account, almost like, so you can see your actual profits being made, so it separates them. I think that would be cool. So I'll make a recommendation to the team about that. So I'll send them an email or message on Twitter. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So XYO and VeChain, guys, we're very early in those, so I'm definitely going to be buying more of them because I think it's only going to go up into those 50-cent mark. That's a real possibility. Let me know in the comments below what you think about them. We'll speak soon. All right, stay safe, guys. Bye.